Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be doing a kind of like get ready with me, but the thing is I'm not doing anything. I'm just going to be putting on a bunch of makeup and then taking it off because I have nowhere to go. So first I will be putting on primer, and I'm going to be mixing these two. So with this one I kind of just like put it around my nose or like anywhere else. Then I'm putting on the Becca Backlit priming filter because the foundation I'm using is matte and I just want to use this so I don't look super duper dry. So now I will be doing eyebrows, which I absolutely hate. I'll be using the NYX eyebrow cake powder. Then I take some concealer and just kind of like shape them out so they don't look super duper messy. Next I move on to foundation, and I will be mixing these two today, the Fenty Beauty one and the Maybelline one.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, and you just can't get into it because they...
Then I put on concealer. Then I do contour with my e.l.f. foundation palette, a little bit of this one and this one. Then I just blend it all in. Next I will be going in with setting powder. Now we will be doing eyeshadow. So I'm going to be going in with a nice palette, and I'm going to take this color right here and just put it all over my eyelid. I'm going to be taking the Soft Glam palette. I'm going to take Rustic, this color right here. I'm just going to take a little bit of like the exact same color and just like blend it on my lower lash line. Then I will be taking bronze, which is a really gorgeous gold color. So now that the eyes are done, I'm going to put on mascara. I decided I'm not going to put on lashes because I don't really like those. They're really like dramatic, and I just put on mascara and I think it looks fine. You probably can't really tell, but so next I'm going to be putting on bronzer. I'm going to be using the Anastasia one in the color Cappuccino. I'm using the Anastasia Sugar Glow Kit, and then I'll be using the color Summer. Had no need to fight tonight. And for lips, ignore them right now because I took off all the foundation so it looks weird. I'm going to be using an Anastasia liquid lipstick in the color Dazed. So this is the finished look. I look a little bit better than I did in the beginning of this video. Feel free to follow me on Instagram or add me on Snapchat. My usernames are down in the description box as usual. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like if you want to see more videos like this one. But anyway, I will see you guys in my next video.